To purchase meme coins, you will first need to create an account. If you haven't already, you can find a link to sign up in the description section, which also includes a promotion offering a 30% discount on all trading fees. Once you've logged in, browse through the available meme coins and select one you're interested in buying, keeping in mind that this is a personal decision and should be made at your own risk. After choosing a coin, click on it and proceed to the buy option, typically located on the right side. From there, you can enter the amount you wish to purchase, such as 0.1 Sol. If your wallet has sufficient funds, you can complete the transaction by clicking the buy button. Additionally, you have the option to sell your coins and set up auto trading features, although these are more advanced and not necessary for a basic purchase. By following these steps, you can buy meme coins. And if you require further assistance or have any questions, you can refer to the provided resources.